Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today, we are going to show you how to create schedule templates in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Schedule Templates. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load 15 plus results for schedule templates. You can change your search term to just the word schedule, and Excel will return additional results for you to choose from. Let's click on the second one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this schedule template and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different schedule templates. Each template will give you a brief description on what it can be used for. When you find the schedule template that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your schedule template, ready for you to use. Be sure to take your time and browse through the different schedule templates to find the one that's just right for you. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.